Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhavan Rao and I have completed my Salesforce Administrated Virtual Internship program. In that I have done some group project named Cosmetic Store Management, and in that group project initially I have created a Salesforce developer account. For creating a Salesforce developer account we have to go to developer.salesforce.com where we can sign up and create a new account. After creating and logging into the account, the initial impressions are like this, where we can see object manager and quick find window and a setup window, etc. After that we have to create an objects. Salesforce objects are database tables that permit you to store data that is specific to an organization. Here initially we have to create 4 objects for our urban color application. They are our customer, consultant, retailer and others. So I have created those applications here. To access objects we have to click on object manager tab here, and here we search our customer object and I have created this object, and in the same way I have created consultant object and retailer object, in the same way other object. Here I have created these 4 objects, and after that I have created fields. Here an object relationship in Salesforce is a two-way association between 2 objects. Relationships are created by creating custom relationship fields on an object. Here we considering our customer object, and these fields are required for our application, so we have to create these fields in our customer object. So initially if we take our customer object, for getting the fields we have to click on fields and relationship tab, and for creating a new field we have to click on new, and we have to give the data type and a field label. So in that way I have created these fields such as customer ID, customer name, email ID, mobile number and owner. These fields I have created for our customer object. In the same way I have created fields for the consultant object, retailer object and others object in the same way. After creating fields I have created page layouts. Here page layouts in Salesforce are define the organization and arrangement of the fields, buttons, related lists and other components to an object detail and edit pages. So when we consider a consultant object, here in consultant object we have created a page layout called consultant page layout, and for accessing page layouts we have to click on page layouts tab here, and we have created a page layout named consultant layout. In that consultant layout page layout I have arranged how it should appear, such as customer ID, customer name, mobile number, delivery type, address. This order I have arranged here, and after that, after creating a page layout I have created a lightning application. Here lightning application in Salesforce is a collection of items that work together to serve a particular function in lightning experience. So for creating a lightning application we have to go to setup menu, and here we have to, in quick find we have to search app manager, and in app manager we have to click on new lightning app here. After clicking on new lightning app we can create new applications. I have already created an urban color application, so my applications looks like this, urban color application. After creating my lightning app I have created a profiles. Here profile in Salesforce is a collection of items or settings and permissions that define what user can do in Salesforce. For creating a profile we have to go to setup, and in the setup we have to click here profiles, where I can create some profile, and for our application I have to create a store supervisor profile. So I have created store supervisor profile, where you can see that And after creating a profile, we have to set up roles. Here roles in Salesforce are record level access controls that define what a user can do in Salesforce. Initially, for creating a profile, I have created a profile named store supervisor. So here is store supervisor. Yeah, here the store supervisor, and here I manage the permissions here. Here I have given access to urban application, where we can see that here in urban color application I have give access here in custom app settings, and in the same way in custom object permissions I have given read, create, edit and delete, view all, modify all access to for all the objects I have created, such as consultants, others, our customers and retailers. I have given this access to all customer objects. And after that, here I set up roles such as store head and billing operator roles are created here. So here I have created a store head role, and in the same way I have created a billing operator role under CEO role. After creation of roles, I have created some users. Here in Salesforce, a user is anyone who logs into the Salesforce. Users are employees at your company, such as sales representatives, managers and IT specialists. So I have created users here. I have created users of my own with different names. After creation of users, I have done user adoption. User adoption means understanding the navigation, how to interact with the database and the records. So in this one we can see that how to create a record, how to view record, how to delete record, etc. in user adoption. After that, import data. Import data wizard, this tool accessible through a setup menu, lets you to import data in common standard objects such as contacts, leads, accounts, as well as data in the customs object. Here when we go to app, in this application I have created a report. For that report, the data is imported using the CSV files. So that's how I imported the data, and after that I have created a report. After I have created reports of consultant report. So in this report I have basically done some operations to merge this data into a perfect report of net banking. I have classified the customer names based on net banking and cash. After creation of reports, I have created a dashboards. Here dashboards lets us to curate data from your reports using charts, tables and metrics. So I have created a dashboard in the same way, consultant dashboard. Here the dashboard shows the data of how many net banking and how many cash. Thank you.